I'm back with you with another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make the origami floating boat. It's going to be great, and I made a new thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go! The things you need for the model is a rectangle piece of paper, and it's actually all you need. So it's actually only a little few folds, but let's get started. So the first fold of this model is you want to fold the top piece of the rectangle down to the bottom, so it will form into a tinier rectangle. Yeah, align it and then crease. Then you want to fold it like this, and it will become into another smaller rectangle. Then just give it a tug there, then crease. Then unfold and do an airplane fold. So like this into a triangle, like that into a triangle. Then fold this up, turn it around, fold this up, aligning with this. Then you want to open this. You see this? You want to open this pocket and flap it down. So you want to fold this up like this. Turn it around and fold it up. Do the pocket fold again. And then you want to fold it up once more. Turn it around once again. The pocket fold. Now you want to take these two and unfold these like this. Just adjust this up and then flatten it out, and there you have the origami boat. Hope you like my boat. Now I'm going to show you a clip of this swimming in the water. So I'm right now in a special place to show some clips of these special boats. I hope you enjoyed these pictures I'm going to show you. I'm sorry if you really wanted to see this clip, but I am going to show you some lines about this boat. These boats are kind of so floating. This is what I told you earlier. Bye bye boat. That. There, boat number 2. There goes boat number 4. Yeah. This is a village that I have shown this boat floating. I hope you like it. It has a lot of water, which is special about it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Click here to subscribe and any of these 2 videos to watch another video of mine. And also click the like button, which I couldn't put on the screen, but you can go down to click it. So for now, bye. Is the glimpses of the village that I shot the boat swimming in this video. I hope you enjoyed it.